You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this two AI platform, which is Buffer and Sprout Social. So to get started with a quick comparison breakdown, Buffer is a streamlined social media scheduler known for its simplicity, affordability, and ease of use for perfect small business and solopreneur creation who want to plan, publish, and track posts without bloat. Talking about Sprout Social, on the other hand, is a robust enterprise-grade social media engagement platform built for larger teams and agencies. It also offers in-depth analytics, powerful collaboration tools, CRM integration, and advanced social listening, making it a full-service platform for data-driven teams. I'm talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with the Buffer AI. Buffer AI is best for small business, solopreneur, and content creator. Together with the pricing plan, that's a that's a free plan available, and the paid start at $6 per month per channel. And talking about Sprout is best for marketing teams, agencies, and enterprise. And the pricing plan, starts at $249 per month, together with the standard plan, and it has a free trial for 30 days. And here's the overall conclusion. So prefer if you can simply choose Proof AI if you want an easy budgeting friendly ways to schedule and publish content with a basic analytics, and it's ideal for individual freelancers and small teams focused on consistent posting. On the other side, you can simply go with Sprout Social if your organization needs an enterprise level analytics collaboration and CRM tools. It's a premium solution for data-driven marketing teams and agencies that manage multiple brands on clients. So that's it.